you think? Will it fly? What do you reckon? And why would I do that? You're going to have to wait till the next video before I explain what it's all about. But you've seen what it is. It's the Phantom. And I've managed to put some extenders on the arms, as you can see here. And we've got a box around it for full protection. Think you might be twigging as to what it's for? A little extra hint. When I fly, I'm going to be having a covering over the top of this as well. Let's wait and see. Can't be long now. I'm just waiting for a good weather day to go fly it. See you on the next one. I'm Aussie Mark. Bye.